More so that it just needs to investigate the status of the education bank, which was floated and it never took off. The importance of this is that whatever the underlying reasons for its failure should be able to be unearthed, and also recommendations will be able to be made as to what to make of our educational sector. Sir, at the moment, a lot of resources are being wasted, are being siphoned, are being misused and misplaced because of lack of regularization of the financial sector of subsector of the educational sector. And I think if this bank is allowed to be investigated and put properly on the rails, it will assist our educational sector. For example, education bank, just like agricultural bank, like industrial bank, and other things, is a development bank, which means it will encompass not only banking services as mundane or material as we know them, but it will have development at its core. And this development, in this case, is educational development in Nigeria, where we know we have been beaten to batter. And therefore, this development bank should be put back on the rail, re-energized, refinanced, restructured, in such a way that we can now regularize all other institutions that today we put money and we don't see results. For example, the PTDF, the TED Fund, and many other finances can now be channeled through this bank, where parents and even individual students, mature students, can go and approach and get, serviced to advance their human capital development. With this, I support this motion, and I ask our colleagues to, in fact,
Honorable Mani, go back to your
a very
seat.
straightforward motion, an important one touching on the financial subsector of our education, to support it wholeheartedly so that it can be investigated and good recommendations will be made. And I also ask that the two committees, while the banking and currency are looking at the financial aspect, the tertiary education and maybe even basic education in this case, should be able to look at how we can have the synergy between the two and try to see what our UBEC, TED Fund, and PTDF and all other institutions where we keep on pushing money could be harmonized through this, so that it will be a little bit commercialized with social input. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I strongly support this motion.